Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction 5th April 2025. 4th April 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 odd number member only prediction boom. 3 odd number member only prediction boom number 7, number 28, number 39. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number first number 9, number 16, number 28, number 36, number 42, booster number 6. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 4, number 13, number 20, number 30, number 45, booster number 15. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.